Welcome back to another episode of Comment Society. So as you may remember from the last episode, we ended up putting the JB4 in. Now the next step should have been to put the downpipe in, but I ran into a few complications. Alright, so let me explain it to you a little bit. The way to jack up G20 BMWs, you have to get a special bit of some sort that plugs up into the hole for them. Now the problem with that is the jack point, right? So it has a little square thing on the top of it. I'll show you a picture of it here. And then you put that on top of your jack and you just lift it up that way, right? Only problem is, then I have nowhere to put the jack stand, right? So now my only options would be to have a jack that also doubles up as a jack stand. And quite frankly, those are pretty expensive. They have a couple options out there, but I didn't think it was for me. So I ended up just scrapping the idea and leaving the downpipe for another time. My solution for that is gonna be, I'm actually gonna use race ramps, but now I have to figure out a way to get the car up if I wanna take the wheels off, maybe work on the brakes or something, suspension, you know the works. But I'll save that for another day. As always, please like and subscribe this video. You can comment down in the section below to let me know what you might want to see in future videos. As for today's video, I did do some work still. Now, I have some battle wounds. Don't know if you can see this, but this is a pretty nasty burn from some work I did with some vinyl wrap. Now, this was supposed to be vinyl wrap for the rooftop because I have a rack that I want to put on it, but we ended up cutting the wrong size. So I ended up using the vinyl in a different manner. Instead of the roof, I decided to wrap the front grille. Now, I love a good chrome delete, but I didn't know how complicated this would be without removing the grille. And as such, I accidentally burnt myself. I don't know if I got that on camera, but you'll see it here. Because I haven't been able to roll out a proper video here, I added some special clips at the end of the video that you might want to see. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we got a nice gloss black for our upper wrap. I might even do the mirrors, but I don't know. I already washed it, so I don't want to wash it again, so I'll just be giving this a try. Or should I do it like this?
Yes.
Since I left all my vinyl cut stuff at home, I'm going to be using scissors and regular ass knife. I was not messing around with the heat gun, but I don't know if you can see on camera here, but I burnt myself pretty bad. It's unfortunate from the heat gun. For bonus content, I think I did a shoddy ass job. You can see some points like right down here, over here, where it's just, I missed a few spots. If you really come in close, you can see right in the back there where I'm missing stuff. I'm proud about like the corners that I did. The corners over here on this side, and then over here too. But altogether, it's kind of nice. I apologize for not being able to get the cat done. But you know, hey, you live and you learn.
Ah, dude, why would you spray me? What's wrong with you? Why would you do that? It's so cold.
Picha się go gacie.
I need to go home.
Hello. Oh, you have to show this.
Okay. Jesus, eating that up.
He doesn't even pull it. He's eating the whole thing.
He's gonna choke on it, Elisa.
Okay. Oh, he did. Oh, sorry.
What are those? What are those?